Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. It's December, so let's start the festive season with some Christmas-themed crafts. Today, we share with you how to make Nutcracker ornaments for your dolls. They add the perfect touch to your holiday decorations and displays. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! For this craft, we are using paper straws and these cardboard tubes intended for small mechanical parts packaging. If you don't have something similar, you can always roll tubes from computer paper. The tubes measure 3.5 centimeters long and have a diameter of 1.4 centimeters. Begin by painting the tube and a couple of straws white. Now cut 2 pieces off your straw that are the same length as the tube for arms. Next, cut 2 4 centimeter lengths of straw for the legs. To add detail, cut thin strips of computer paper, then trim them down to 7 centimeters. Wrap a strip around the end of each arm piece to make the cuff of the Nutcracker's jacket. Wrap a strip around the center of each leg piece to define the top of the soldier's boot. Here we have a bag of assorted beads. We need a wood-colored one for the head and 2 smaller ones for the hands. Next, punch, stack and glue 4 circles of paperboard to make a base for the Nutcracker to stand on. With all the pieces ready, let's assemble our soldier. Put a ring of hot glue inside the opening of your tube, then insert your larger bead. Take a leg piece and squeeze a small drop of hot glue on one end. Attach it inside the other end of the tube, making sure the leg is straight. Repeat for your other leg. Then fill the gap both front and back with hot glue to secure their position. Now, we will adhere the arms. You can have both arms straight or bring one forward on an angle to look like he is marching. Fill the tip of the straw with hot glue to attach your smaller hand beads. Next, affix the legs to the base. Then squeeze small drops of hot glue for the feet as seen on screen. Roll a shorter tube about 1.5 centimeters high for the hat. Glue it to a scrap of paperboard. Once dry, cut away the excess. Now it's time to paint. You can choose any colour for your Nutcracker. Here we did a traditional red suit with black boots. But we also made more soldiers and painted them in pastel colours for a whimsical touch. Depending on the colours you choose, you may need to do a few coats of paint for complete coverage. To jazz up the base, give it a generous coat of liquid glue. Then tip glitter over top for a sparkly finish. Next, unroll a cotton ball and glue it around the back of your bead for the Nutcracker's hair and add a little tuft for his beard. Paint a super thin strip of paper black for the belt. Then cut a tiny buckle from paperboard and paint gold. With a gold marker, draw on the button and epaulette details. We also drew stripes on the jacket cuffs to give our soldier more seniority. Make dots with white paint for eyes. Once dry, add the pupil with a black Sharpie. Hot glue the hat to his head, then add a gold star center front for flair. Excellent! Your Christmas Nutcracker ornament is complete. We'd love it if you hit that like button, subscribed and turned on the bell to get notified when a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!